Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Zippo is probably one of the most iconic and reliable ways to get a flame, offering a timeless design that has been a trusted companion for generations. Whether you're lighting a campfire, a cigar, or just need a quick spark in a pinch, this classic piece of engineering continues to deliver dependable performance and a touch of rugged style that's hard to beat. Number 5. UCO Stormproof Match Kit. Introducing the UCO Stormproof Match Kit, your reliable fire-starting solution in any weather. This kit ensures you can make fire when you need it most. It comes with a waterproof container holding 25 stormproof matches and spare strikers. You can trust it to keep your matches dry and ready for use. An integrated striker is conveniently located on the outside of the container. This means you'll always have a way to light a match, no excuses. These matches burn for approximately 15 seconds, even in harsh conditions. They are designed to stay lit despite strong winds or heavy rain. Unbelievably, these matches will even burn underwater. This incredible feature makes them indispensable for survival and outdoor adventures. What we like. This option is designed for extreme conditions. Its waterproof case and ability to burn underwater make it ideal for wet environments. If you are an avid boater, kayaker, or often find yourself in damp conditions, this is the reliable choice for you. What people say. The Zippo matches are a reliable and durable alternative to traditional lighters. These matches are windproof and waterproof, making them ideal for outdoor use. The refillable case ensures you always have a reliable fire source on hand. Number 4. Zippo Firefast Bellows. Introducing the Zippo Firefast Bellows, your ultimate companion for starting fires. This innovative tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features a powerful impeller-style fan and vent system that quickly gets your fire going. This ensures a strong and consistent airflow. Designed with a no-roll triangular shape and a non-slip grip, it provides excellent control and comfort during use. You can hold it securely without it rolling away. Safety is paramount with its flame-retardant nozzle. This feature protects you from heat and ensures durability. The auto-off power button adds an extra layer of convenience and safety. It automatically shuts down after a period of inactivity. Enjoy extended use with its impressive battery run time. It can provide up to 181-minute bursts on a single charge. What we like. This is a modern take on fire starting, focusing on convenience and safety. The built-in fan helps create a strong flame quickly. If you prioritize ease of use and safety features like auto-off, this is a great option for quick ignition needs. What people say. It's a great alternative to disposable lighters. The Zippo matches are windproof and waterproof, making them reliable in various conditions. They are refillable and come with a flint striker, offering a sustainable and convenient option. Number 3. Zippo ZO30072 Emergency Fire Kit. Never get caught in the dark again. This emergency fire kit ensures you can start a fire quickly and easily, no matter the conditions. It includes 5 paraffin wax-coated cotton tinder pieces. Each one ignites with a spark or flame and burns for up to 5 minutes, providing ample time to get your fire going. Designed with you in mind, it features an ergonomic shape with a textured grip for comfortable handling. Plus, it's water-resistant for added durability. Accidentally drop it in water? No problem. It's designed to float, and a molded lanyard hole allows you to keep it securely attached. This kit comes conveniently packaged and ready for your next outdoor adventure. Keep it with you for peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers a robust and reliable fire-starting experience. The combination of a flint wheel and long-burning tinder ensures you can get a fire going even in challenging situations. If you are looking for a dependable emergency kit that can withstand water and provides ample burn time, this is a solid contender. What people say. The Zippo hand warmer is a reliable source of heat for extended periods, making it ideal for outdoor activities in cold weather. Its durable metal construction ensures longevity and can withstand rough handling, a testament to Zippo's quality. The design allows for easy refueling and maintenance, contributing to its user-friendly nature. Number 2. Zippo Mag Strike Ferro Rod. Never get caught in the dark again. This essential tool provides a reliable way to start fires, even in challenging conditions. It features a 5/16-inch ferrocerium rod designed for longevity. The corrosion-resistant coating ensures it performs when you need it most. The snap lock closure keeps everything secure, while the triangular shape with a textured grip offers comfortable and stable handling. A striker blade with a sharpened edge is integrated for efficient spark generation. Its reusable ABS plastic construction means it's built to last. A shielded internal chamber protects the components, and a molded lanyard hole allows for easy attachment to your gear. It comes conveniently packaged for immediate use. What we like. This tool is built for durability and performance in the outdoors. The ferrocerium rod and sharpened striker are designed for maximum spark generation. If you are a serious outdoorsman, survivalist, or simply want a rugged and dependable fire starter, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Zippo matches are windproof, making them reliable in outdoor conditions. Each match provides a long burn time, suitable for various lighting needs. The refillable case is durable and designed for repeated use. Number 1. Survive Permanent Match Bottle Opener Keychain. Introducing a unique survival tool that's also a bottle opener. It's the perfect gadget for campfires, grilling, and any outdoor adventure, eliminating the need for matches forever. This mini, portable device is incredibly lightweight and waterproof, designed to fit right into your pocket for everyday carry. It provides infinite sparks in any weather condition, making it reliable wherever you go. Crafted from premium stainless steel with a magnesium alloy flint rod, this tool is built for extreme durability. It's refillable and designed to last for thousands of strikes, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Looking for a unique gift? This multi-tool is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and survivalists. It's an essential item for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Start a fire quickly and easily, anytime, anywhere. It works like magic for barbecues, fireplaces, camping stoves, and even indoors for cooking. It's your reliable source for an eternal flame. What we like. This is a highly versatile and long-lasting fire starter. It combines essential fire-starting capabilities with a practical bottle opener, making it perfect for camping and social gatherings. If you appreciate multifunctional gear and want a reusable solution that lasts for thousands of strikes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Zippo refillable lighter fluid is a great product that works well. This is a classic Zippo lighter that is very durable and reliable. The Zippo lighter is a great gift for anyone who likes to smoke or enjoys collecting lighters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.